Hi! Today I just want to show you how to make a quick, easy and healthy chia seed drink made with fermented milk. It's so simple. The ingredients are only 3. Natural fermented milk. Check! Sweet fermented milk. Check! And finally, the star, the chia seeds, right? So, it's so simple. So guys, I usually do it in a cup. So I'm just going to make it the way I usually do it. So, here it goes. So, half a cup of natural fermented milk, chia seeds, 2 tablespoons, one, 2. Then make sure you stir properly. Stir properly. Make sure that everything is well combined. Can you see? You're supposed to get this kind. I don't know if you can see. Let me try come close. This is how it's supposed to be. Can you see? And then, after you've made sure that it's completely, you stirred it thoroughly, you add the sweets. Make sure it's full and stir again. From here, straight to the fridge till morning. I like doing it in the evening so that in the morning it's ready. The chia seeds will have swollen up and it will be so thick and creamy. So let me show you. This is a before. Look at the consistency. You see how runny it is? This is the before. I had done one earlier. So let me show you how that one looks like. So this, I did this last night. Do you see how thick it is? See? It's so thick. Look. It's like taking porridge. Why? Because the chia seeds have expanded. Even stirring it is so difficult. Can you see? And the chia seeds have expanded. I wish. The chia seeds have expanded. Are you seeing? Are you seeing the consistency? And I tell you, it's so good. So good. Please give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's delicious.